I have 2 cuts here of delmonico steak, and I'm going to cook them using a reverse sear method. It's pretty simple. It's a really great way of being able to cook the steak more consistently, exactly how you want it in the center, and I'm going to aim for medium rare. I have the steak seasoned on both sides. I'm going to put them in the oven at 275 for a little bit, and I'm going to monitor the internal temperature and get them to around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been in there for a little over 5 minutes, maybe close to 10. I'm just checking the temperature. We're at 75, so it's starting to go up, but we'll give it a little while longer. The steaks are getting right up to internal of 95, and the other one is right there pretty much at 100. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm getting my pan real hot here, ready to sear, and then I'm just taking the steaks right out of the pan, putting them in here. We'll let this cook on high heat for about 2 minutes on each side. Now we'll flip them. The internal temperature is looking pretty good. I'm aiming for about 120, 125. It's going a little bit higher than I'd like, but that's pretty close. I'm gonna try and sear the sides a little bit, just to at least render the fat. Take them off, set them on a plate, and we'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. Cover it and let it rest. Had this resting about 10 minutes now. It looks really good. I'm very happy with that, so let's take them off and slice them up. Now is the moment of truth to see how well we cooked it. That looks pretty darn good to me. If I could do it all over again, I might keep it a little bit cooler in the center, but this is pretty good.